Electric griddles are versatile kitchen appliances designed for cooking a wide variety of foods with ease and precision. These flat, heated cooking surfaces are typically made from durable materials like non-stick, coated aluminum or cast iron and come in various sizes to accommodate different cooking needs. They are a go-to choice for preparing pancakes, French toast, eggs, bacon, and grilled sandwiches, among many other dishes. One of the key advantages of electric griddles is their even and consistent heating, which ensures uniform cooking results across the entire surface. Most models feature adjustable temperature controls, allowing you to tailor the heat to suit specific recipes. Additionally, the non-stick surface minimizes the need for excessive oil or butter, promoting healthier cooking. Electric griddles are not limited to breakfast items. They are perfect for searing meats, stir-frying vegetables, and even making quesadillas. Their large cooking area makes them ideal for preparing meals for a crowd, making them a valuable addition to any kitchen for both everyday cooking and entertaining. Easy to clean and store, electric griddles are a convenient and efficient tool for achieving delicious results in the kitchen. Hi! Stay informed with detailed, market-leading electric griddle analyses, research findings, and comprehensive reviews. Get the latest insights into top choices for electric griddles, offering in-depth assessments and research results. In our comprehensive assessment, the OVENTE electric griddle has firmly established itself as a strong contender, securing the 5th position in our rankings. Elevate your culinary endeavors and impress your family with perfectly cooked meals in just minutes. This griddle boasts a spacious 16 inches by 10 inches non-stick cooking surface, allowing you to prepare a wide array of dishes, from pancakes, French toast, eggs, bacon, burgers, and grilled cheese to sautéed vegetables and quesadillas. With a robust 1,200 watt power output and 5 adjustable temperature settings, it provides precise control over your cooking, whether you're searing, simmering, warming, or frying breakfast classics. The fast heating element ensures you reach your desired grilling temperature swiftly. This griddle is ideal for expanding your kitchen space during family dinners or holiday gatherings, accommodating various delightful dishes. Constructed from entirely PFOA-free materials, it prioritizes safety. The inclusion of a heat-resistant drip tray prevents grease spills on your countertop and simplifies cleanup. Maintenance is a breeze as you can wash the griddle and the removable drip tray with warm soapy water, and the non-stick plate can be gently cleaned with a non-metal cleaning pad. Its compact and lightweight design makes storage effortless, with the added convenience of removing the temperature probe dial for easy placement in your kitchen cabinets or shelves. Bella has firmly established itself as a significant player in the realm of electric griddles, securing an impressive 5th place in our evaluations. With this appliance, you can consistently astound your family with perfectly cooked meals. It boasts an expansive cooking surface, allowing you to prepare up to 15 pancakes or eggs simultaneously, making it ideal for large brunches or gatherings. The griddle's built-in ledge and backstop facilitate easy flipping, eliminating those awkward maneuvers and pancake mishaps. Additionally, the cool touch handles ensure a safe cooking experience. Taking charge of your culinary creations is a breeze with the removable probe and user-friendly dial, enabling precise temperature control for searing, simmering, or crafting fluffy golden desserts. The non-stick coating on this griddle pan is not only 8 times more durable but also 30% faster than ordinary coatings. Reinforced with titanium for unparalleled strength and scratch resistance, it's built to last for years. Moreover, the reinforced titanium ceramic coating ensures superior food release and effortless cleaning, and it's free from lead, cadmium, and harmful chemicals, ensuring the safety and healthiness of your food. Bella has certainly earned its spot as a reliable choice for those seeking exceptional cooking performance and durability in an electric griddle. Dash has unquestionably earned its reputation as a leading contender in the world of electric griddles, securing a well-deserved 3rd place in our rankings. The Deluxe Everyday Griddle by Dash is a versatile kitchen companion, simplifying the preparation of pancakes, quesadillas, burgers, eggs, and more. Its ample cooking surface, measuring 20 inches by 10.5 inches, is perfect for family meals, entertaining guests, or catering to diverse culinary preferences all in one go. The heating probe affords precise control over cooking temperatures, ensuring your dishes turn out just the way you want them. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher safe removable cooking plate, which also boasts a PFOA-free, non-stick surface for consistent cooking results. The inclusion of a heat-resistant and removable drip tray further enhances convenience by preventing grease spills on your countertop. This electric griddle heats up rapidly when plugged in, saving you precious time and energy. It's not just a kitchen tool, it's also a stylish addition to your culinary arsenal, with trendy color options like aqua, black, gray, and red. As an Amazon exclusive, the 1500W Deluxe Everyday Griddle offers additional features such as anti-slip feet, a drip tray, a removable non-stick heating surface, a recipe book, and access to a recipe database. Whether it's for personal use or gifting, this griddle combines functionality and style to elevate your cooking experience. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Presto has unquestionably earned an impressive second-place position in our assessments, reaffirming their unwavering commitment to innovation in the electric griddles industry. The Presto electric griddle is a kitchen powerhouse that excels in both cooking performance and convenience. With its extra-large cooking surface, measuring 22 inches, it provides ample space for preparing large meals or breakfast spreads for a family or gathering. This griddle heats up quickly and evenly, thanks to its efficient heating element, ensuring that your food cooks uniformly. One of its standout features is the Control Master heat control, allowing you to set the desired temperature with precision. This makes it versatile for cooking various dishes, from delicate pancakes and eggs to sizzling bacon and stir-fried vegetables. The non-stick surface is not only easy to clean but also requires minimal oil or butter for cooking, promoting healthier eating. The removable drip tray makes cleanup a breeze, and the griddle is fully immersible once the heat control is removed. Its slim, low-profile design ensures it fits into most kitchen cabinets for convenient storage. Overall, the Presto electric griddle combines versatility, ease of use, and a generous cooking surface, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Bella, an emblem of unwavering commitment to excellence, consistently showcases its dedication to innovation through an impressive range of electric griddle solutions. This griddle pan allows you to prepare 8 delicious pancakes or eggs simultaneously, making breakfast a breeze. Its non-stick surface is not only 8 times more durable but also cooks up to 30% faster than standard coatings, ensuring you can whip up a hearty breakfast quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're cooking for a family gathering or hosting a party with friends, this electric grill has your needs covered. The extra-large cooking surface accommodates multiple items simultaneously. Cool touch handles enhance safety by preventing burns, and the adjustable temperature dial, along with the removable probe, provides precise control over cooking. For healthier cooking, a drip tray collects fat and juices, while a warming tray keeps food at an ideal temperature until serving. The 1500W Griddle grill heats up rapidly, eliminating long waiting times. Its detachable power cord makes it conveniently portable, suitable for camping, caravanning, or self-catering holidays. Cleaning is hassle-free, as the 10 inches by 18 inches scratch-resistant surface is fully submersible and dishwasher-safe. Importantly, this electric frying pan is free from harmful chemicals, PTFE, and PFOA, ensuring the safety of you and your family. In sum, Bella's electric griddle represents a fusion of innovation, convenience, and safety for your culinary adventures. We want to express our deep gratitude for your valuable insights and active engagement in our electric griddle's mission. Your expertise plays a pivotal role in our success, and we sincerely thank you for your ongoing participation and support.